Hello students, good morning to everyone. Last class we were discussing about tangents and secants to a circle. In that few theorems we learned and exercise problems also discussed. Okay, in that exercise 9.1, 9.2 exercise was discussing. In that the question is exercise 9.2. Almost all numerical problems completed. In that one few more constructions are there. Those constructions will be discussed later. Constructions will be discussed later along with the similar triangle construction. All constructions at once only I will explain similar triangle construction as well as tangents construction. Now in this one more question. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Question number 4. Question number 4. A triangle ABC is drawn. A, B, C. I am not writing questions here. Space will not sufficient. So at present with me new text will be there, so that I am writing the question number only. It is ABC is a triangle whose which is circumscribing a circle whose radius is 3 centimeters. Circle radius is 3 centimeter. Y is the center of the circle. ABC, triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeter such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, this is D, are of length 9 centimeter. BD length is 9 centimeter and DC length is 3 centimeters. Respectively, find the side AB and AC. AB side and AC side they asked. AB side and AC side they asked. This is point of contact. D is what I given here in triangle ABC. BC is equal to 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. I need to find out AB length as well as AC length. O is the center of circle. O is the center of a circle. Center of a circle. And the radius is equal to 3 centimeter. This is a radius is 3 centimeters given. That means OD is equal to 3 centimeter. D is a point of contact. D is a point of contact. D is a point of contact. As well as here one more point of contact. We can take it as a E. And here it is a F. 3 points of contact are there. D, comma, E, comma, F are points of contact. Points of contacts. See here, ABC is a triangle which is circumscribing a circle. Means a triangle is outside, circle is inside. When triangle circumscribe a circle, then there will be 3 points are there. Those 3 are the points of contact. D, E, F are the points of contact. D, comma, E, comma, F are points of contact. If you consider D, comma, E, comma points of contact, then OD is equal to radius and OE is equal to also radius only 3 centimeters. OD is equal to OE is equal to 3 centimeters because it is a radius. because it is a radius. Since this is a circle, C is external point, CD is a tangent drawn from the point C, then automatically CE also triangle, you know. CD is equal to CE is equal to 3 centimeter, because the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Tangents drawn from external point are equal. From external point are equal. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Since this is 90 degrees, this also 90 degrees. Obviously, angle C is 90 degrees. OD perpendicular to DC, OE perpendicular to EC. Then obviously angle C is equal to 90 degrees. What it becomes here? ODC is a square. That implies ODC is a square. ODC is a square. Since it is a square, angle C is 90 degrees. Angle C is 90 degrees. See here, ABC is a one triangle given. Which type of triangle they did not mention here? They did not give about the triangle information. Triangle is a circumscribed circle. Triangle is circumscribed circle. So circumscribed circle means here, what is the radius of the circle? 3 centimeters. When triangle circumscribe a circle, triangle touches the circle at 3 different points. Those 3 points are the points of contacts. Those 3 points are the points of contact. Since these 3 are the points of contact, OD and OE are the radius. Okay, a radius is perpendicular to the tangent at a point of contact. Already we know that one. So this angle is 90, this also 90 degrees. Okay. Now OD is equal to OE is equal to 3 centimeter. They are making 90 degrees at the point of contact. Since C is an external point to the circle, CD and CE are the tangents. CD and CE are the tangents. So tangents drawn from an external point are equal again. So CD is equal to CE is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay. Now this is a ODC is a one quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, all sides are equal, and D angle is 90 degrees. If all sides of a quadrilateral are equal and one of the angle is 90 degrees, then it is a square, not rhombus. All sides are equal means rhombus, but one angle is 90 degrees also is there, no? So this is a square. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. If this angle C is 90 degrees, this triangle is a right angle triangle. This triangle is that implies triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now, since BD is 9 centimeter, BF also 9 centimeters only. BD is equal to BF is equal to 9 centimeters. Let us assume that AF is equal to X centimeters, then obviously AE also X centimeter. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So let us suppose AF is equal to AE is equal to X. AF is equal to AE is equal to X centimeter. That implies AD is equal to X plus 9 centimeters. AC is equal to X plus 3 centimeters. BD is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, BD is equal to 12 centimeters. by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Because it is an entity, no, this will be the hypotenuse. So x plus 9 whole square is equal to x plus 3 whole square plus 12 square. Now a plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to x square plus 9 plus 6x is plus 144. X square cancel. A is equal to other side if you take negativities. So 18x plus 81 minus 6x is equal to 144 plus 9 is 153. 18x minus 6x is 12x is equal to 153 minus 81. 12x is equal to 153 minus 81. 3 minus 1 2. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, 12 1 plus 12 6 plus. X is equal to 6 centimeters. X is 6 centimeters means AB is equal to 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 centimeters. AC is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 12 centimeters. These are the required sides. Okay. Please note down this. Once again I will explain it. Sorry here, this is 9 centimeter, no 6 plus 3. Correct it, sir. And see here, in this one, exercise 9.2, triangle ABC is circumscribed by a circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. D is a point of contact such that BD and DC are 9 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. Then find AB and AC length. That was the question. So in triangle ABC, I don't know what type of triangle, whether it is acute angle triangular, isosceles triangular, right angle triangular, equilateral triangular, I don't know. Only it is this triangle is circumscribed by a circle of radius 3 centimeter. This is a circle and triangle is circumscribed by a circle. When triangle circumscribed by a circle, triangle touches the circle at the 3 distinct points. Those 3 points are the points of contacts. Those 3 points are the points of contact. Since circle radius is 3 centimeter, this OD and OE length is 3 centimeter only, because that is the radius only. Point to center to the point of contact distance is radius only, that is. Okay, and OD perpendicular to DC, OD perpendicular to DC and OE perpendicular to EC. Here you can write as a OD perpendicular to BC also and OE perpendicular to AC also you can write. That's your wish. DC also correct only. Okay, OD perpendicular to BC and OE perpendicular to AC, because a tangent radius drawn from center to the points of contact, then it is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to BC. So this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees. This 3 centimeter is 3 centimeter. Already DC length is 3 centimeters they given. Already DC length is 3 centimeters they given. Okay, BD is 9 centimeter, DC is 3 centimeter. Now you observe that C is the one external point to the circle. Forget about the remaining part. Then CD and CE are the tangents. CD and CE are the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So those two are 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. By this I got all sides are equal. So it may be rhombus or it may be square. Since the angle is 90 degrees, D angle and E angle are 90 degrees. So all sides equal, any one angle is 90 degrees, then it is a square. By that I can conclude that ODC is a square. Since ODC is a square, angle C also 90 degrees. If this angle C is 90 degrees, then this triangle becomes as a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Now B is an external point. BD is 9 cm means BF also 9 cm. And A is an external point. AF is x cm means AE also x only. I suppose it. Then AB length becomes as a x plus 9. AC length becomes as a x plus 3. BD is 9 plus 3, 12. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. X plus 9 whole square is equal to x plus 3 whole square plus 12 square. Now expand A plus B whole square, here A plus B whole square. We will get x square cancelled. 18x plus 81. This 6x there this side minus 6x. 9 plus 144 is 153. 18 minus 6 is 12x is equal to 153 minus 81. 12x is equal to 72. 12 ones are 12 six are. X is equal to 6 cm. Then AB is equal to 6 plus 9, 15. 6 plus 3, 9. Before I wrote 12 sir. Correct it is. Okay. This is your fourth question. And one more numerical question. Only one question is there. Okay. One more class. Eighth question is there. Same numerical question. With that, numerical problems will complete. Only construction 3 problems are there. Those 3 constructions 3 and 4 are there. Those will be discussed in the next one. Okay. See 8th question. In a right angle triangle ABC, a circle with side AB as a diameter. In a right angle triangle ABC, a circle with a side AB as a diameter is drawn intersect the hypotenuse AC in P. Prove that the tangent to the circle at P bisects the side BC. See here, this is a right angle triangle. Okay. AB is a diameter to the circle. A, B, C. AB is the diameter of the circle. In a right angle triangle ABC, that means obviously this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. And here is a point is intersecting is a P point. At this P point there is a tangent which is drawn, and this PQ is bisect BC. We have to prove that. Prove that the tangent to the circle at P bisect the side BC. This angle here. Now, what they given here? Given is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. AB is O is the center of the circle. O is center of circle, center of a circle. AB is diameter. AB is diameter. P is the point of contact. Through this P, one tangent is drawn, PQ. This PQ bisect BC, we have to prove it. Required to prove is PQ bisects DC. That is nothing but BQ is equal to QC. We have to prove it. We have to prove that BQ is equal to QC. We have to prove it. Now see here. Here symbolically they given here. Proof. In this one, they given here symbolically this angle P, QPC and QCP are equal. They given. Given is since angle QPC is equal to angle QCP. Given it is. They did not mention in question. Only in symbolically they given these two are equal. They given. Symbolically equal symbol is given here. This angle and this angle equal symbol. Here only one is there. This is not equal, sir. It is one. Only these two are equal symbolically. So in triangle PQC, these two angles equal means equal sides, opposite sides. Sorry, equal angle, opposite sides are equal or not? So this P angle opposite side is QC is equal to C angle opposite is QP. Since equal angle in triangle, equal angle opposite sides are equal. In triangle, equal angles opposite sides are equal. Equal angle opposite sides are equal. So this is equation 1. This is equation 1. In triangle QPC, QP is equal to QC. How? Since these two angles are equal, P angle and C angle are equal. P angle opposite is QC and C angle opposite is QP. In triangle, equal angle opposite sides are equal. And next one is to this circle, this Q is an external point. To this circle, Q is an external point. Okay. From this external point, this QB and QP are the tangents. Okay. This is a circle and Q is one point here. So QP and QC, QP and QB are the tangents drawn from an external point. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. So since Q is an external point to the circle, an external point to a circle, to the given circle, so QP is equal to QP, QB is equal to QP. How? Tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. This is second equation. Now in first equation and second equation, QP is common. QP is sharing with this triangle as well as this triangle also. Sorry, here tangents are equal, in this triangle sides are equal. So in this one QP is the common. From 1 and 2, equation 1 and equation 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, QC is equal to QB. QC is equal to QB. QC is equal to QB. From 1 and 2, this in this one, in first equation QC, QP are equal. In second equation QB and QP are equal. So there is a QP is common. That means these two also equal. QC is equal to QB. Therefore, These two are equal means BC line segment is divided into two equal parts now. So that was divided by PQ. Therefore, PQ bisects BC. PQ bisects BC. Okay? So please write down. Okay. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal in length. Very important concept this one. In triangle ABC, angle B is right angle, and another one is a circle is drawn, O as a center. Consider AB as a diameter. As AB as a diameter, circle constructed. So then we need to prove that one. PQ is bisecting BC. I have to prove it. To prove that, first they given in that diagram from the figure, these two angles are equal. Now I consider this triangle QBC. These two angles equal now. These two opposite sides are equal. So this angle opposite side this one, this angle opposite side this one. So both are equal. And Q is an external point to the circle. QB and QP are equal in length. Tangents drawn from external point are equal in length. So QP is equal to QB, QC is equal to QP. Therefore QB is equal to QC. That means QB is equal to QC means BC is divided exactly two parts, two equal parts. That means BQ and BC are here. QC are equal means bisected by PQ line. So PQ is the PQ bisecting BC. Okay. So with this numerical problems completed. In this one, 1, 2, 3 and the 4. 4 constructions are there. In similar triangle constructions are there. 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Line segment division is 1, 8. 8 constructions will be discussed after this topic. Okay. Thank you.